Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Made another one. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on.
Do y'all ever just go to the store and just be picking up random things? Like, especially the drugstore. Like, don't let it be the drugstore or the Dollar Tree. Like, and when I go to those two stores, I'm just picking up things that I don't even need. But it's just like, why not? Like, I might not need it today, but I'm gonna need it eventually. And that's what happened here. Like, that's what happened. I went to my local beauty supply store yesterday and I picked up a few things. I picked up a few things that I need, and then I pick up a few things that I don't need. And one of those things that I do not need is the easiest eyelash applicator. I saw this and I wanted to try it, and I'm like, I'm gonna get this. My friend was like, girl, don't get that, you don't need that. And I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna get that. I want to try that because I want to see how it works. And I picked it up. It was $3.99, and let's just hope that it's worth it, because if not, then I wasted $3.99 plus tax, because you know Uncle Sam gotta get his. This is the easiest eyelash applicator, and they had different types of eyelashes because it comes with eyelashes. Y'all see those eyelashes? I don't know who those eyelashes is for, but I'm not putting those on. I'm gonna put on my own lashes, but it has these come with lashes, and it says the lashes are 100% Remy human hair. I don't think it's matter. Do people put like care if they put human hair or non-human hair eyelashes on their eye? Like, I know for your hair, because like, why would you like want to walk around with synthetic all the time? Like, synthetic is cute sometimes, but you don't want to walk around with synthetic all the time. But I don't really care about the lashes on my eye. Like, I don't care if it's human, synthetic, horse, cow. I don't care what it is. Like, give me the lash if it's a cute lash. So what this is it's an applicator, and you use it to apply your lashes, and it's supposed to be easy to apply lashes. And I have 2 videos up already on how to apply lashes and the easiest way to apply lashes if you have very curly eyelashes. So that's another reason why I picked this up, because I have extremely curly eyelashes. Like, my eyelashes, they got a mind of their own. I like to think I have kinky eyelashes. I used to say nappy, but I found out that like you can't really say that word. So I like to think that I have kinky eyelashes because my eyelashes curl up. Like, they just be touching the back of my eyelid. Like, they curl up so bad. And it's like, I had to find a way to put on lashes, and I found a way that works for me, and I shared it with you guys. And then recently, when I say recently, I definitely mean recently, I learned how to apply lashes without using tweezers, because I used to always apply lashes with tweezers. I used to always think I could not apply lashes with tweezers. But the thing is, I think I can apply lashes without tweezers because I don't have my nails on, and that's probably what it was. Like, if I have nails on and I keep my nails really long, I could not put the lashes because I just couldn't. My nails be so long, I was scared I'm poking myself in the eye. So they sure did package this up. Like, they make sure you was not stealing this applicator. I mean, everything that I got from that beauty supply store was just like definitely packaged. Like, I tried to open up some lip gloss yesterday that I got, and they had so much tape on that lip gloss and a sensor and everything else. They making sure you are not walking up out of that store with nothing. Oh, so this is by Kiss. I don't know if I mentioned that, but obviously you can see it on the package. But this is by Kiss, and like I mentioned, or I tried to mention before I got so sidetracked, that they had a different couple of lashes. I got the one in KPT 03. And they had like 01 and some other ones, but I picked up these. I just picked up these. I don't know. Maybe they can be used for bottom lashes, but it's nothing I can do. These are my top lashes. I'm even try to put them on to show you guys what they look like. But it says just 2 steps, press and release. And then on the back it has instructions on how to how to use the lash lock, which is this piece right here. So this is the lash lock, and this is what it looks like right here. It says that it's 2 steps to using this, because I was trying to figure out how to use this too. And then remove lash lock with So Simple lashes from the tray and check the lash fit by aligning the lash along your natural lash line. Trim off any excess lash. Holding the lash lock with lash, apply lash adhesive to the lash bed and wait 30 seconds. Like I said, they have this freaking thing on here. I can't even read on how to do this. But I mean, I'm pretty sure it's pretty self-explanatory. So it says you're supposed to put the lash like this. Put the glue on, and it's supposed to be like this. But like I said, I have curly eyelashes and I haven't even put on mascara yet, so let's put on some mascara. So with mascara, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It has been my recent favorite mascara because I used to love the Big Bang mascara, but which I still do. Like, I don't want to say I used to love, I still love that. That's still my favorite mascara, but recently this has been it. Yeah, I had to put on mascara. I had to like get really close to the mirror to see my little puny lashes. But I'm not even gonna try to apply this lash because I'm not about to waste my time trying to put this on my face. Like, I'm not. It's not about to happen. I like my lashes be big. How do I open this again? Oh, okay. So, okay. So how do I close it? Oh, okay. So I just took the lash out. So this is what the little applicator looked like, right? And to open the applicator, it's this little piece right here on my finger at. So I'm trying to hold it up so you can see. So this little piece right here, you click it. And I don't know if you guys heard it click, but so I'm going to do it again. I'm going to close it. And so again, right here where my pointing finger at, I'm going to circle it on the screen. You're going to press it. And it clicks, and you put the lash that you want to wear in this. It's giving me some problems. Okay, let's put the lash through first, and because I was so busy trying to make sure that I didn't mess up my fluffs, but I could just fluff that back out. So I put the lash through, and I got the lash in. This is, come on. Focus. So I have my lash in, but I did not close this yet. So to close this, you just right here with my pointing finger, you're gonna, and it clicked again, so you're just gonna press down on it to close that. And it has the lash in it, so let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited. So excited. They came out with some eyelash glue that's in a container like this, and it says eyelash glue on the container. I honestly just don't know where. Oh, I gave mine away to somebody that likes black eyelash glue. So I don't like or too much care for black eyelash glue. I like this one because it goes on white but it dries clear, so that way if I accidentally put the eyelash on my face, it's gonna dry clear. So it doesn't really matter if I get some on like my eyes and stuff like that, and it's easier to peel off. So they have white eyelash glue, just that every time I go to the drugstore, the beauty supply store, what do you call it, I cannot find some. So I just use this white hair glue for mine, and it works. I've been using it for over a year now, and 2 years I think, because I think I got this like 2 years ago, and I have no complaints. Since I do put my glue on the lash, I won't have to worry about like using a lot, because I've seen people that when they put their eyelash glue on their lash, they actually take the top off, and then they do all that to get the eyelash glue. I don't do that. I do mine like this. So the lash is in there pretty tight, like it's not going anywhere at all. So you gotta let the lash dry, and it gives you 2 of them, which I don't know why, because you can just use this one for the other one. So let me put the other lash in there then, if they give you 2. But they honestly could have just gave you 1, and then you would have used just 1 on both eyes. But I guess for convenience, I'm guessing that's why they give you 2. But Didn't need to. So gonna slide this lash in here. If y'all don't know about Kiss products, y'all are really sleeping. Kiss was like the first drugstore makeup product, like beside, well, not, it wasn't, because NYX, I think NYX was, but Kiss was up there with NYX. Like, I'm not even gonna be lying with you guys, Kiss was up there with NYX, and they had some pretty good products. I think I had some Kiss products when I first started doing makeup. Like, I used to wear Kiss products because they, you know, I didn't have no complaints from it. I didn't really know how to do makeup like that all that well, so when I did wear the little stuff that I did wear, it was definitely Kiss products. So y'all just see me slide the glue across the band. The trick is to not, I don't even open the top all the way, and to like barely squeeze it out, so it's like a little coming out, and to just rub that across there. Like, that is the trick, so you won't push too much out. So while I'm letting that eyelash dry, I'm gonna put on this one. So let's see how good this applicator works. So you know, my only thing would be is, oh wow, it works. It probably works a little bit better if you let the glue dry, but oh god, I love this. Y'all seen the way, did y'all just see how good that lash just went on there? Oh my god, I'm waiting for the other one to dry so you guys can see it again. Like, it literally just popped on there. And honestly, I like I said, if you have a very curly eyelashes like I do, I have to put mine's eyelashes on a certain way. Like, I have to put like one end on first, and then just try to put then take, like, I would put, when I put my lashes on, right, I go like this. I take it, I put it on in the middle, then I put one end on, and then I put the other end on, like I just did just now, because the glue on the inner corner was probably still wet. So this just, I like that. Okay, Kiss. Okay, Kiss. Y'all made them do something now. Oh god. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I like this. The lashes on there. Oh yeah, and it's on there. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah. Y'all seen that? See? Yeah, this is gonna be my new favorite thing to do, to put on lashes. Cause sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, because my eyelashes are so freaking curly, I have so many problems with putting on my lashes. Like, so many problems, because they curl up. Like, my lashes just want to do their own thing. Again, you put the eyelash in there, you close it, and you put the eyelash in your eye, you go like that, you go to click it, to put it off. Like, it's just hard trying to remember that part, that when you want to take the eyelash off, you have to click it to take it off. But other than that, it's really great. You know, it does what it says it's gonna do. It works fast. You know, you're not struggling with it and all this other stuff. So definitely 10 out of 10. It was a reasonable price. You're not spending an arm and a leg for these. So I'm gonna put these where I can find them, because I'm definitely gonna use these again. Yeah, so if you guys like this video on me reviewing random products that I found at a beauty supply store, let me know that, and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna pick up more random things that I've never seen before, and I'm gonna review them and then let you guys know how they work. If I like them, I'm gonna give them a rating, and yeah, we just gonna do that. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Oh, tongue-tied, Jesus Christ. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.